Okay. And here's some trash. It says Kindle Fire.
Kindle Fire?
I think it's going to fall on the floor. Oh, here.
Hooray! Oh, it's awesome.
What is it?
I think it's a case for it. Oh, it's so cute.
Okay. Okay. Here. Take this box and put it on the floor. Well, everything don't want to open. There's a little thing here. It says to pull. Shauna?
Huh?
Pull. And then open. Oh my, a Kindle Fire that's red. Oh, it's pink. You know what? I don't think there's a plug-in for it.
There is.
Here. I think we have
something underneath.
a plug-in. Here.
Oh, it's so cute. I love it already. It has a little camera.
Oh, there's something else. Camera. And both sides.
Oh, it does. Yay!
And it's a Kindle Fire, and it's insured for 2 years, so that if you crack it or break it, it'll be paid for.
Hooray!
Okay. Here's your little box. I see. Oh, here's another piece of paper. There's that. Oh, I gotta go get Lucas. Okay. I think if I was you, I would plug it in. Because you gotta charge it. So, go plug it in and charge it right now. And did you say you got good earphones?
Yeah, I did.
Did you think you'd get this?
No. Wasn't sure what I would
I'm
get.
telling you. I think I want it. It's better than mine, and it's 5 years younger.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
I would still have my other one, but yeah.
Here. You can't plug it in?
Trying to see.
Let me see it. Well, plug it in.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, now plug it in over there and let it charge.
Alright.
Hooray!
Thank you, Mom.
Shauna, if you love your tab as much as I love mine, I mean, I absolutely, that's only 6 years. But see, that, you can make it stand up with that little case.
Uh-huh.
It'll make it stand up.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
Let me go get Lucas.
Hooray! That little mini Amazon Kindle Fire. The little tiny, cute, adorable case for it. And it can even stand up. You put it like that and it can like stand up somehow. Oh, it's cute. And we thought it was red, I guess, but it turned out it's like a pink. It's like a darker looking pink than it's appearing on camera. Oh, how awesome. I'm so excited. Hooray!
To the new barn.
Yeah. New barn. New barn.
May it last as long as the old one did.
That's right. Amen.
Charging my Kindle Fire right now. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. It's charging Kindle Fire. So these little tiny headphones. Early birthday present. Woohoo! Tomorrow's my birthday. So excited. Been waiting all day for it to come. I'm like, is it coming? Is it coming? Is it coming? Is it coming? It's gonna come. Oh, look at the screen. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh. Sweet. Awesome. Love it. Hope I'll have more videos for you guys. So subscribe, comment, and like this video. Thanks. Don't forget to thumbs up. Bye.